Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn notice writing. First of all, we should know what is a notice. Dear students, a notice is a written piece of information which is given to a person or a specific group of people, a particular group of people. As you have seen in our school, on the notice board there are many notices. Some notices are given there by principal sir. Some notices are provided by our exam department or some other departments like Department of Science, Department of English and other departments in our school. Now dear students, we should know some basic things about notice writing. Number 1. A notice should be clearly legible. It should follow a proper format. It means we should learn properly how to write, where to write, and the message given in this notice or the information conveyed in the notice should be nicely conveyed. Its meaning should be clear. It should be short. Notice should not be very much lengthy. For your class, that is class 6, it should be in 50 to 60 words. Now come to our point. For class 6, a notice should be in 50 to 60 words and it may be asked in your exam for 4 marks. Let's start learning. Dear students, here is a specimen question for you. You are Aryan or Arya of class 6A of Kendriya Vidalya Masrak. You found a pen in school playground during games period. Write a notice for school's notice board in this regard. Your answer should be like this. This is a specimen answer. Format should be same. Wording may be different. In first line, you will write Kendriya Vidalya Masrak. Kendriya K capital, Vidalya V capital, Masrak M capital, and there should be a comma after Vidalya. In next line, 17th April 2020, that is the date. On which date you are writing that notice, that date should be mentioned there, top left corner. Then while writing this date, you will keep in mind April A capital, no comma, no full stop. Then in third line, NOTICE, notice all the 6 letters should be written in capital. Dear students, in your syllabus, this is mentioned that the notice writing should be based on lost and found notices. Means in your syllabus there are lost and found notices. Here we are going to learn to write a notice when you found a pen in school playground. How you will write? It is to inform all of you that I, Aryan or Arya, found a pen in school playground during games period. The owner of the pen can collect it from me today after telling some characteristics of the pen. Otherwise, I will submit it to the CCA in charge. Full stop. After that, leave a gap of 1 line and write your name Aryan, and if you are a girl, Arya. After that, your class and section 6A. After writing the notice, you will put it into a box. Dear students, if you will write like this, definitely you will score better marks in your final exam. And it is important not only for exam, in your personal life also. You can use this skill of notice writing in your daily routine school life. Okay, dear student, I hope you enjoyed and I hope you will learn it properly. Thank you. Be safe, be happy, and keep learning.